Hi guys, and welcome to today's live intraday trading analysis video for the day. So today I have traded on Zydes Life. So it was a short sell around 1183 to 1182 level. So I short sold today in the morning itself around 9:20 to 9:25 a.m. So this is the time when I took the entry for this trade, and this is a trade what I have done according to my study and the strategy by following my strategy and the discipline. Okay, so this was traded without any indicators. Okay, so this was a very simple strategy, so executed it in the morning itself. So as you guys can see here, the stock has performed well towards the short selling side, and the maximum low what it has made for the day is around 1160, so almost 20 plus points it has been performed. So by following my discipline and the trading strategy, I had kept my target up to 10 points, and that 10 points target was achieved within 9:45 a.m. today. So this was a trade what I have done on today's intraday trade. Okay, so if you guys want to learn from me and want to get a personal live market support from me, you can join us today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit. No complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And also, once you join us with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skill set to make you as a profitable trader. And also, the course prices are very reasonably priced. You get everyday personal live market support as well. And also, you can just go inside my channel and watch a lot of educational videos and live trade videos from almost 5 years plus. You can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me. Okay. So guys, by being said that now, let's talk about Nifty 50, how the market has been performed for the day. So let's see how the pre-open market has opened for the day. So today the market was opening in a bit of a bearish way, minus 0.28% down. Advances were only 10, declines were 37, and unchanged were 3 stocks. So yes, the opening was a bit down for Nifty 50, and later you can see how well the market has recovered for the day. So yes, the market has opened here, and from here the market has gone up. The highest point what Nifty 50 has touched today is around 24,838. Okay, and the market has closed at 0.76% up today. So today it was a bull market, and this is how the market has performed for the day. Okay, and now let's look at the indices, how they have performed for the day and what are the top performing indices for the day. So if you see the main sectoral indices, you can see how they have performed, and Nifty IT has gained 2.22% up today. Nifty Media is down by 3.57% down today, and Nifty Metal is down by minus 0.87% down today. And you can see all other indices have been given a normal performance for the day. So this is how the overall Nifty has performed for the day, guys, and this is how the market was there for the day. And anyway, so today's trade was a good trade on Zydes Life. It performed well, as you guys can see. And also, if you guys want to get good trades like this and want to learn how to make correct trades and how to select a good stocks like this for intraday and also for swing trade, you can join us today by messaging me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.